All right, so when we look at this, the primary component in a dental practice is that relationship between the doctor and his patients. That's what's going to drive revenue to a practice. And you can measure revenue. You can measure profitability of a practice. And it is goodwill that drives that component of a practice valuation. You can also double check yourself by looking at the marketability of the practice or market comparables. But the greatest success of the practice is in its value, its ongoing concern value of being able to say, what's this practice going to do in the future? And this is where the doctor is interested in what is the monetary value of goodwill. And so we can go back in and we can calculate the cash flow, the net profit, and the likelihood that that's going to continue into the future. Now what's important is to understand that goodwill has to be appreciated and understood by a buyer for him to be able to step forward and understand this is a practice he wants to buy. So they have to have a sense of value of patience, of going concern, of profitability, all things that can be measured to some extent, but it's a confidence factor. It's a confidence that they can step into the role of that doctor and into those relationships he's created. The other component of goodwill that many people overlook is the value that it serves in tax planning for a dental practice transition. Because it's not what you sell your practice for, it's what you actually put in your pocket after expenses and taxes. Therefore, if you understand that part of it, goodwill is kind of like what really makes the difference in a practice. It could be called the secret sauce. It's the ability to get more for your assets than the next guy because you've built strong reputation with your patients. You've built a staff that's warm and friendly. You have continued new patient flow because people are looking for you. Those are all things that are hard to measure except when you look at what the revenues they generate.
Discover the ADS difference today. Contact us for a free consultation.